be there in 10.
More like 5.
Yeah, I've been thinking about the rumors, I'm working on the moves. I've been trying to hit the heights, road to victory and smooth, we on it to dust. Trying to kick up is full throttle, adding also the product to being under that cusp. But bring the energy, connect, never compare. Competitive, yeah, but West competitors, they said I'd beware. Run at the sparks fly, ignite the pace, let the sparks right. They hit the brake, whip hard right.
You got a heli on your tail.
Almost there.
I'm on the way. Sure you're gonna make it?
I always do.
Make it so it hits the ground. Make it so it hits the ground. I changed my game, it's the best. Make it so it hits the ground.
It's 3,000, let's do it for a time.
Hey,
Skydiving. I like to change of plan.
I knew you'd like a little challenge.
Yeah, sure.
Hello and a big welcome to BMW Motorrad. What a film, pure adrenaline and excitement, on 2 and on 4 wheels. And that's exactly what M stands for, the most powerful letter in the world. M is a synonym all over the world for successful motor racing performance and the fascination of high-performance BMW models made for customers with particularly high demands in terms of performance and exclusivity. M stands for the ultimate thrill for track and road use all over the world. The market launch of our first M model last year, the BMW M 1000RR, was a milestone in the history of BMW Motorrad, and today is a day lots of motorcycle fans worldwide, as well as all of us at BMW Motorrad, have very much been looking forward to. The world premiere of our second M model, the BMW M 1000R. The MR is by far the hottest, most powerful and lightest hyper-naked bike from BMW Motorrad ever. An emotional performance masterpiece with a dash of insanity. And now I'm pleased to hand over to Dominic Blas, who will give you more detailed insights as a product manager responsible for this rocket on 2 wheels.
As a racer by heart, a BMW M enthusiast, and luckily also the product manager for this bike, I'm very proud to present the second BMW M Motorrad to you on behalf of the whole project team, the all-new M 1000R. M stands for power and performance. I don't need to tell you anything about power, but here is what we mean with performance. M has a strong motorsport DNA, a heritage based on high performance combined with high-tech materials and the highest quality craftsmanship. The M 1000R brings this DNA to public roads as well. At first look, the M 1000R is an intentionally unreasonable decision. It's maximum performance with a taste of insanity. Internally, we even call it the Bandit. A statement for moving outside the norms, and we enjoy seeing what's technically possible. Do we need a bike like that? Absolutely yes. Because it's just so much fun. Just imagine standing at a traffic light next to a muscle car. But apart from the fun, let's talk facts. The M1000R is equipped in standard with everything to attract all eyes on the road. All over M graphics with a white color and base for a sporty appearance. The M1000R is currently the most powerful serial dynamic roadster in the world. Our pinnacle of engineering is adapted from the S1000RR model revision engine with the shift cam technology and now 210 horsepower. With a shorter secondary ratio, it fits the need of a hyper roadster riding both windy country roads and racetrack, and still allows us a maximum top speed of around 280 km/h. As you can imagine, an engine like this definitely needs a fitting outlet. The Agrabovic Titan slip-on exhaust provides maximum sound, power and style. With the optional Titan manifold, we can reduce the weight of around 2.7 kg. The weight of the MR is anyway only 199 kilos in standard. The winglets are made to support gravity, and while testing I could feel the effect immensely. We reach a downforce of 11 kilos at a speed of 220 km/h. And of course, the winglets give the bike a muscular appearance. Despite this, we have a sharp shape in the front which is reduced to the essentials with optical details such as an illuminated M in the headlight. The M brakes, which you all know from MRR, has a perfect performance regarding pressure point and brake power, with the unique M-like blue color design. The dominant attack position with optimized handlebar provides sporty economics, and for style we have an engraved M1000R logo as well as the handlebar end mirrors. And speaking of sporty and dynamic riding, DDC, Dynamic Damping Control Suspension, is adjusted to the needs of a dynamic roadster with optical differentiation, all black fork and blue shock absorber spring in the back, as well with fully adjustable steering damper, all together to achieve pure M-like riding pleasure. What counts is the emotional intensity and the physical control which comes with our BMW Race Pro modes and full riding assists like wheelie, stoppie and brake slide assist. Not to forget our insane mode, which is a very sportive throttle response for an even crazier punch of the line. The shorter license plate holder makes the bike look more aggressive. Good to know it will be the only thing people will see when you are riding this MR. For all those who are seeking for the ultimate portion of insanity and lifestyle, you can order the M Competition Package, which comes in black metallic with M graphics all over, the carbon wheels for an even more significant handling with optical highlights in carbon and others like M footbags and M passenger package. With all these features, I'm sure you will be just as stoked as I am about this high performance M dynamic roadster. The first ever MR. This one is definitely making life a ride, but a hell of a ride.
And now it is a great pleasure for me to announce a second world premiere, the new M1000RR. M not only stands for ultimate performance and exclusivity, it also has a strong and emotional connection to motorsport racing. All our experience and knowledge gained from our World Superbike Championship and World Endurance Racing has been directly incorporated to bring the new MRR to the next level. Pure racing technology for the highest performance demands. Lighter and faster than ever before. And speaking about motorsport racing, I would like to ask Mark Bongers, our BMW Motorrad Motorsport Director, to reveal the brand new M1000RR, born on the racetrack.
The 2023 model update of the MRR has been optimized to become the champion on the racetrack. In both World Superbike and Endurance World Championship, the regulation leave a large scope to gain knowledge and set direction for development. However, at the same time, this regulation limits us. Therefore, it is of high importance that the features which bring performance and finally lap time are implemented into the production model. We have incorporated our innovations into the new 2023 MRR, not only to enhance our performance in racing, but also to give this advantage to every single M customer. It's a circular flow in which we never stop challenging. Every single detail of the machine has been laid out to maximize performance. No compromises.
It's all about milliseconds. The new MRR follows the story of aerodynamics and maximum downforce. So we improved the drag of the bike. Now we have 7% less drag. That gives us a new top speed of 340 kilometers per hour. This increase of the top speed means normally 10 horsepower more. So we have massive new winglets built in carbon. These winglets bring us more downforce at 200 kilometers per hour, 10 kilo. 50.6 kilo at 250, and at 300 kilometers per hour that's 22.6 kilo. That's 39% more than the previous one. The whole fairing is built of carbon. Cockpit is carbon, winglets are carbon, everything where you look is just carbon. So what we built as well new is the M front wheel cover, now with the M brake ducts. With the M brake ducts we can cool the brake caliper more precise. We can reduce the temperature of the brake caliper by approximately 10 degrees Celsius. We have as well new M aerodynamic wheel covers. We can improve the top speed as well. You feel the benefit above 250 kilometers per hour. We have the new M endurance seat. With the new M endurance seat, the rider gets better feedback of the bike during the acceleration and the braking areas. So what we have as well in the M competition package, the bike is all black, black fuel tank, black carbon seat cover. We have machined the brake lever, clutch lever, lever guard. We have a brand new rear set where you get more freedom for your feet so you can move better on the bike. The new MRR.
Dear motorcycle fans, the BMW Motorrad M family is growing. Born on the racetrack, everything is based on the perfect interplay between dynamic performance, agility, precision and suitability for everyday use. With our exciting two new M models, we strongly underline our claim to design and innovation leadership in the motorcycle industry. With the MR and the MRR, the ultimate performance bikes in the segments, we are pushing the line of what's possible again. And we will keep pushing. So stay tuned for more.